Imagine this. You're at the gas station, filling up your car, and you notice the price ticking higher and higher. But what if I told you that every dollar you're spending right now could be going straight into the pockets of mechanics and dealerships? Not your car? Shocking, right? Here's the truth. Over 60% of drivers waste hundreds of dollars every year on car expenses they don't even need. From overpriced fuel to fake repairs, the automotive industry thrives on what you don't know. But today, that changes. We're revealing the wanton biggest car secrets that mechanics and dealerships don't want you to know. By the end of this video, you'll be driving smarter, saving money, and outsmarting the system. Ready to take control? Let's dive in. Let's start with one of the biggest scams in the automotive world: premium gasoline. Ever felt guilty pumping regular gas into your car because the premium option just sounds better? Well, here's the truth. Unless your car's manual specifically says premium fuel required, you're literally throwing money away. Studies from LAOA and major auto manufacturers confirm that premium gas does not improve performance, clean your engine, or boost fuel efficiency for most cars. In fact, modern engines have NOx sensors that automatically adjust to lower octane fuels. So why are gas stations pushing premium gas so hard? Simple. It's a profit machine. Next time you're at the pump, stick to what your car actually needs and save yourself the extra cash. Here's a winter myth that's costing you time and money: long warm-ups. If you're still sitting in your driveway for 10 minutes waiting for your car to warm up, you're doing it wrong. Modern cars with electronic fuel injection don't need long warm-ups. In fact, idling for too long can actually harm your engine by causing carbon buildup. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, your car warms up faster while driving. So here's the golden rule. Start your car, wait 30 seconds, and drive gently. By the time you've gone a couple of blocks, your engine, transmission, and tires will all be at the right temperature. The only exception? If it's below -20 degrees Fahrenheit, you might need to idle for a minute or two. Otherwise, stop wasting fuel and get moving. All right, let's talk about something that scares every driver: the check engine light. But here's what most people don't know. There's a huge difference between a solid check engine light and a blinking one. A solid light means there's an issue that needs attention soon, but a blinking light? That's a full-blown emergency. A blinking check engine light usually means your engine is misfiring, which can send unburned fuel into your catalytic converter. And if that happens, you're looking at a repair bill of over $1,000. So if your check engine light starts blinking while you're driving, here's what to do. Slow down immediately, avoid hard acceleration, and find a safe place to pull over. Driving any further could cost you thousands. Don't ignore it. Your wallet will thank you. Here's a bad habit that's silently destroying your car: dry steering. That's when you turn your steering wheel while the car is completely stationary. It might seem harmless, but it puts massive stress on your power steering system, wears out your tires faster, and can even damage your steering rack. A repair that can cost over $1,000. The solution? Always turn your wheel while the car is slightly moving, even if it's just rolling forward or backward a little bit. This reduces resistance and keeps your steering system in top shape. So next time you're parking, remember, move a little, turn a lot. Here's a myth that's been around forever. Rolling down your windows saves fuel compared to using the AC. But guess what? At highway speeds, the opposite is true. When you roll down your windows, the increased air resistance forces your engine to work harder, burning more fuel. Studies by the Society of Automotive Engineers and even Mythbusters have proven that at speeds above 55 miles per hour, using the AC is actually more fuel efficient. Modern AC systems are designed to be energy efficient, so you're not wasting as much fuel as you think. Here's a pro tip. Set your AC to recirculation mode. This cools the air inside the car instead of pulling in hot air from outside, making the system work less and saving you even more fuel. So next time you're on the highway, roll up those windows and enjoy the cool air, guilt-free. Here's a mistake almost every driver makes at least once: overfilling the gas tank. You know the drill. The pump clicks off, but you squeeze in a little more to round up to the next dollar. Sounds harmless, right? Wrong. Overfilling your tank can flood your car's EVAP system, which is designed to capture harmful fuel vapors. When this system gets flooded, it can trigger a check engine light, reduce fuel efficiency, and even cause gasoline leaks. And here's the kicker. Some gas pumps are designed to recycle that extra fuel back into their system, meaning you're paying for gas that never even makes it into your car. So next time you're at the pump, stop when it clicks off. Your car and your wallet will thank you. Let's talk about something we all need but rarely think about: windshield wipers. Most people assume that expensive wipers are better, but here's the truth. Cheap wipers can work just as well if you replace them regularly. According to Consumer Reports, budget wipers often perform just as effectively as premium brands when they're new. The key is to replace them every 6 to 12 months, depending on your climate. Want to make them last even longer? Apply a water-repellent treatment like Rain-X. It reduces wear on the blades and improves visibility in heavy rain. So next time you're shopping for wipers, skip the high-priced options and stick to affordable ones. Your wallet and your windshield will thank you. Here's a car fluid that doesn't get enough attention: brake fluid. Most drivers focus on oil changes, but completely ignore their brake fluid. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air, which lowers its boiling point and reduces braking performance. In extreme cases, it can even lead to complete brake failure. Experts recommend changing your brake fluid every 2 to 3 years to keep your braking system in top shape. Here's how to check if your brake fluid needs attention. Look at the reservoir. If the fluid is dark or murky, it's time for a flush. Don't wait until your brakes feel spongy or weak. Stay ahead of the game and keep your brake fluid fresh. Did you know that extra weight in your car can cost you hundreds of dollars a year in wasted fuel? According to the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, every 100 pounds of extra weight reduces fuel efficiency by up to 2%. That might not sound like much, but over time, it adds up. The worst offenders? Heavy toolboxes, sports equipment, and that trunk full of random stuff you never use. Even roof racks and bike carriers increase wind resistance, forcing your engine to work harder. The solution is simple. Clear out your trunk, remove any unused cargo, and only carry what you actually need. A lighter car means better gas mileage, improved handling, and more money in your pocket. Here's a little-known feature that will save you from embarrassment at the gas station: the hidden fuel gauge arrow. Ever pulled up to the pump only to realize you're on the wrong side? Almost every modern car has a small arrow next to the fuel pump icon on the dashboard. It points to the side of the car where your gas cap is located. This tiny but super useful feature has been around for decades, yet most drivers never notice it. Next time you're at the gas station, take a second to check your dashboard. You might be surprised it was there all along. And there you have it, 10 car secrets that will save you money, extend your car's lifespan, and make you a smarter driver. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with your friends.